Okay, so today we are going to learn about gas exchange system in humans. That means in multicellular organisms. So we'll see how this happens. So in humans they have this circulatory system. So it is a mass transport system that helps in and transportation of different substances. So, as an example, oxygen, glucose, all these are transported through the circulatory system. So, in human, they have this circulatory system. We call this type of a circulatory system as mass transport system because all of these substances, glucose, oxygen, and other nutrients, and also waste products, they are transported through this system and they are dissolved through the bloodstream. So, with blood, they dissolve in fat and they'll get transported. So, that's why we call this type of a system as mass transport system. So, this is about the circulatory system. And after that, so our topic is to learn about gas exchange. So, in human, gas exchange happens in lungs. So, lungs, after the nasal cavity, we have trachea and the bronchi, bronchioles, and then alveoli. So, in this alveoli, this gas transfer to gas exchange process happens. So, there are many alveoli to increase the surface area for efficient gas exchange. So, there are capillaries carrying blood, like a network through this alveoli. So, these are from heart. So, this blood is pumped by heart. So, we'll see how this gas exchange occurs. So, capillaries, they have only one cell thick wall. And also, alveoli, they also have only one cell thick walls. So, when we breathe in and when we breathe out, always we take in air and air with carbon dioxide, we remove it. So, this air inside alveoli will contain more oxygen while less carbon dioxide. While the blood moving through these capillaries, they are from the heart. We call these as deoxygenated blood. They will have more carbon dioxide that is produced by respiration and then less oxygen. So, these blood as they pass through. There's a process that happens, it is known as diffusion. So during this diffusion, these gases they'll pass from a area where there's low concentration to area where there's high concentration. So you will see that the carbon dioxide concentration inside this is high. So they'll move from high to low concentration. While oxygen concentration in alveoli is greater, so they'll move to the capillaries. So that means these gases will diffuse. So that's what we need. We need oxygen for respiration because they combine with glucose to provide energy. And carbon dioxide is a waste product that we don't want. So we want carbon dioxide to be removed from our body. So there are some adaptations of this alveoli and capillaries to increase the rate of gas exchange. So one is they both have cell walls which are only one cell thick. Other one is always blood is flowing through these capillaries and always air inside this alveoli is replaced because we breathe in and we breathe out. So due to that, the concentration gradient will be maintained because always new blood will come, so that new blood will have high carbon dioxide and low oxygen. And as this air is replaced, new air will have high concentration of oxygen and low concentration of carbon dioxide. And also, this alveoli surface is moist so that these gases they can dissolve, and it will also increase the diffusion rate, or it will help for dissolution. And then another one is this alveoli. There are many alveoli in lungs. So that means this large surface area is also helping to increase the rate of diffusion. So that's how our lungs will exchange these gases and get the gases we want and remove the other gases that we don't want efficiently. Hope you understood.